Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to take you through a detailed overview of the express entry process for moving to Canada. Whether you're looking to work in Canada or become a permanent resident, express entry is one of the most popular and efficient immigration pathways. Express entry. This includes the Federal Skilled Worker, FSW, Federal Skilled Trades, FST, and Canadian Experience Class, CEC, streams, as well as some provincial nominee programs, PNP. In 80% of cases, an application submitted through express entry is processed within 6 months from the date it is received. For current processing times, please visit the IRCC's page for the most current information. Please note that the processing times do not include the time it takes to submit an express entry profile, receive an invitation to apply, ITA, and prepare the final application for submission. Here's a more detailed version of the script. Let's break it down step by step. 1. Determine your eligibility asterisk. The first step is to see if you qualify for one of the 3 programs under express entry. Federal Skilled Worker Program asterisk. This is for skilled workers with foreign work experience. Federal Skilled Trades Program asterisk. This is for those who have qualifications in a skilled trade. Canadian Experience Class asterisk. This is for those who have worked in Canada for at least 1 year. Each program has specific requirements, including work experience, language ability, and education. You can use the Comprehensive Ranking System, CRS, tool on the Canadian government's website to assess your eligibility. 2. Create your express entry profile asterisk. If you meet the eligibility requirements, you'll need to create an express entry profile online. In this profile, you'll provide details about your skills and work experience, education level, language proficiency in English or French, proven through tests like IELTS or CELPIP for English. Other factors, such as age, marital status, and if you have a job offer from a Canadian employer. 3. Gather your required documents asterisk. To complete your profile, you'll need to gather several documents. Passport or travel document. Language test results, e.g., IELTS, CELPIP, or TEF for French. Educational credential assessment, ECA. This is needed if you completed your education outside of Canada to prove that your education is equivalent to Canadian standards. Proof of funds asterisk. You need to show that you have enough money to support yourself and your family after you arrive in Canada unless you have a valid job offer or are applying under the Canadian Experience Class. Job offer. If you have one, this must be a written job offer from a Canadian employer that meets specific conditions. 4. Submit your profile and enter the pool asterisk. Once your profile is complete, you can submit it online. After submission, you'll enter the express entry pool where you'll be given a CRS score based on the information provided. The CRS score is used to rank you against other candidates in the pool. Factors influencing your score include your age, education, work experience, and language proficiency. The higher your score, the better your chances of being invited to apply for permanent residence. 5. Receive an invitation to apply, ITA. If you have one of the highest scores in the pool, or if you receive a provincial nomination through a provincial nominee program, PNP, you will receive an ITA. Receiving an ITA means that you are now eligible to apply for Canadian Permanent Residence. 6. Complete your application for permanent residence *. After receiving an ITA, you'll have 60 days to submit your complete application for permanent residence. This application includes additional documentation like police certificates, medical exams, and proof of funds. Payment of application fees. Uploading all required documents online. 7. Wait for your application to be processed *. After submitting your application, the processing time usually takes about 6 months, though it can vary. During this time, immigration officers will review your application, verify your documents, and may request additional information. 8. Receive your confirmation of permanent residence, COPR. If your application is approved, you'll receive your COPR and a permanent resident visa, if you're from a visa-required country. At this point, you can prepare to move to Canada and begin your new life.